Hi, Derek here from Mindbliss, and I'm sitting with my dear friend, Jhenneviev Heartt, that I really want to introduce to you. I'm so happy you're here.
I'm so happy to be here. Thank you.
Today we want to make a video about breathing exercise for anxiety. Everyone can face some anxiety, and we want to make sure that you have some tools, a little exercise that you can do anytime, anywhere, to reduce your stress, to reduce your anxiety, and get back to it. But first, I want to tell you a little story about how we met. And we met at a great conference, a wellness conference in Mexico. But shortly after that, I was in Bali, and I happened to attend one of Jhenneviev's sessions. And all I can say is, after the breathing exercise, all the movements that we did, I was so released. I was releasing so much emotion that I was crying, and it was all coming out of me. And after the session, I felt like I was 25, 50 pounds lighter. So it was such a big relief that since then, we've been publishing Jhenneviev's sessions on Mindbliss, and people have had great experiences. And now I want to share this with you today. So, but first, how did you get started, Jhennevieve?
How did I get started? With breath work and all this. Well, I was an athlete. And as an overachiever, type A personality, I was really kind of go-getter, pushing myself, pushing my body. And what happened is I had a back injury, and that back injury paralyzed me for a moment, just down from my hip to my right toes. And, when you're this type of person, to be stopped and to be told that maybe you're going to be able to walk again, but if you're able to walk again and just manage the pain, that's going to be your new kind of normal. That wasn't good enough for me. So that's what really started me off on a deeper spiritual path of self-healing and finding a different way to get back to my flow and my center. And that brought me to study yoga, to study breath work, to go all around the world to study with the best experts to heal my body. So I've really been my own kind of lab rat in terms of the best ways to heal and the most practical ways to heal, but not only, heal the body, but rewire your mind. And that's what I love about breath work, is that it does all of that.
And you've worked with thousands of people. What's the main thing people come to you for?
Wow, it's varied. I have a lot of people coming with PTSD issues. A lot of people coming that have been taking antidepressants for 15, 5, 20 years and not been able to progress in therapy. And I have people coming in just because they want to optimize their life. There's something that they're missing, that clarity that they're seeking, or that little golden nugget. And we work together.
So for you, it's like accepting that modern medicine, their promise of you getting better but not having your full potential, reaching the potential you had before, made you want to see, okay, there has to be another answer.
Yeah, because I believe that in infinite possibilities, and what I was told was something very specific was my infinite, possibility. And I was like, no, because that is so limiting. And I didn't want to believe that. Yeah. And I had to find another way, because back then, where I was from, there wasn't another way. Yeah. So I needed to kind of break out of a bubble to find something else and create and define a new reality.
Go on a long journey.
Go on a long journey. About, it's been, 15 years now. Almost. Mm-hmm.
So can we help people that are watching now reduce anxiety? Is that something we can do right now?
Yes.
Give them a little taste of your medicine?
Yes, absolutely.
Yeah? Okay, wonderful.
That. You're going to do it with me.
Yeah, well, I'm the student. I'm going to do what you tell me to do.
Okay, sounds good. So, guys, I want this to be super simple so you can do it pretty much anywhere, anytime. I'm going to show you different things, so back to back. You could do one of those. You can do all of them together. They're going to work. Just try it for yourself, and you'll see. Ready?
I'm ready.
Okay. So the first thing I want us to do is connect our feet to the ground. Okay. And just kind of have a relaxed position. You could also sit back if you wanted, just like to stay here. And what we're going to do is breathe through our mouth. So open your mouth a little bit. Yeah, you're going to be my demo. Okay. And inhale through your mouth. And exhale through your mouth. Good. So see, he's making like that ah sound. And that's awesome. So continue that. So when you release your jaw, you're opening your mouth and you're releasing your jaw. Your jaw holds so much tension. Good. What if you put one hand on your belly as you do that? Good. And as you inhale, you're going to breathe into the belly. So I'm going to do it with Derek. From here. And we do this breath, counting the same count on the inhale and the exhale. So let's choose a count of 5. 4, 5, exhale. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So what you want is keeping the inhale and the exhale together. Could be 3 counts. Could be 4. Could be 8. Take the time to connect the belly. Relax the jaw. Release the unconscious tension. Beautiful. And let's take one more deep breath here. So this is the first part. Now, once we're grounded a little bit more, we go a little bit deeper. The second part of the exercise is to pump the breath in the belly. So this is going to be a passive inhale and an active exhale. And we're going to do it through the mouth too, because I want you guys, if you're really anxious, to keep your jaw relaxed. So it's going to look like this. And Derek, you can open your eyes if you need to see me. I inhale. Inhale. And exhale. So we're going to do it again, and I'm going to look at Derek. Inhale through your mouth. Exhale and pump. Yes. Good. Good. Continue, continue, continue. Yeah. Good. So allow the breath to come into you. Good. And relax. Inhale. Maintain. And exhale. Good. So for a lot of you, you might get stuck here, not being able to pump that breath consistently. And that's something that will happen at the beginning. So you could do it 5 times, 10 times, it doesn't matter. Then we'll do it through the nose. So the actual way of doing this breath, which is called Kapalbhati, is through the nose. It's the same thing, and it's just a pumping breath. So you inhale and pump through your nose. Three, 2, 1, inhale, inhale, inhale. Maintain the inhale. And exhale. Beautiful. And inhale again. Second round. 1, 2, 3, pump it. There you go. Yeah, he doesn't know that I'm supposed to be teaching. Cool. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, inhale, inhale, inhale. Maintain. And exhale. So this is so good to take the mental muck out of your brain and really tap back into your belly. So you can do this 3 times to 5 times. And the last thing I want to leave you with is now hold on to your opposite elbows. Okay, this might be tricky for some of you. Inhale, lift the arms up. Bring the shoulders in line with your ears as much as you can. Reach up as if I'm pulling your arms up to the sky. Look up. So I'm not even going to be looking at you. You're looking forward. What is your vision? What do you want to accomplish? Where do you want to go? How do you want to feel? Take a deep inhale through the nose. Exhale. Inhale. Keep reaching up through the arms. Exhale. Inhale into your lungs. Exhale. 2 more. Inhale. Big belly. Exhale. Last time. And exhale. Reach up. Touch the sky. And release your hands down. After every breath exercise, you want to take just a moment to feel what's coming up for you. To observe and just rest without judging your experience. Is there one word, maybe, Derek, that could describe how you feel right now?
Focused. Good. That's great.
Cool. Good.
Thank you.
You're so welcome.
Thank
Hope
you.
it serves.
Yeah, feel good.
Yeah.
I hope you guys feel good too. I'd love to hear your thoughts. You can leave a comment. We're going to read them all. And thanks for joining us on this exercise. There's a lot more of Jhenneviev's exercise on the Mindbliss application. And if people want to reach out to you, how can they get a hold of you?
The best way to connect with me and with us is to go to my website, which is naialife.com, NAIAlife.com, and you'll see everything that we're doing in the world and where we are at any time.
Wonderful. Thank you so much for sharing your message with us, sharing the exercise. I'm sure a lot of people will benefit. I loved it. Thank you.
Thank you, Derek.